Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to change number on WhatsApp. So to do that, let's head over to WhatsApp application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three dots on the top right. Now go to settings. Now in here you'll find several options. So head over to account, and here you'll find the option of change number. Head over there. And here go to, as you can see, changing your phone number will migrate your account info, groups, and settings. So before proceeding, please confirm that you are able to receive SMS or calls at your new number. If you have both a new phone and a new number, first change your number on your old phone. And then tap on next. And here enter your phone number with country code, and you have to proceed further and you will get a verification code, and you have to enter the verification code in WhatsApp, and then you'll be just logged into your new number. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.